Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, I hope you are well. With the world fighting the coronavirus pandemic and pharma companies are in the race to develop COVID-19 vaccine, Muslim countries around the world have raised concerns regarding the use of pork gelatin in these vaccines. These concerns comes in the wake of pork-derived gelatin being widely used as a stabilizer in vaccines to ensure that they remain safe and effective during storage and transport, Associated Press reported. The concerns were first raised by the Muslim clerics of Indonesia when Indonesian diplomats were about to finalize COVID-19 vaccine deals with China to ensure millions of doses reached Indonesian citizens. The clerics had a concern whether the COVID-19 vaccine was permissible for use under the Islamic law. However, some companies have worked for years to develop pork-free vaccines. Swiss pharmaceutical company Novartis has produced a pork-free meningitis vaccine, while Saudi and Malaysia-based AJ Pharma is currently working on one of their own. But demand, existing supply chains, cost and the shorter shelf life of vaccines not containing porcine gelatin means the ingredient is likely to continue to be used in a majority of vaccines for years, said Dr. Salman Wakar, General Secretary of the British Islamic Medical Association. Experts say that concerns about religious permissibility, speed of development, as well as conspiracy theories need to be contextualized and taken seriously. Hundreds of hospitals in the US began their mass vaccination campaign last week after the Pfizer or BioNTech shot was green-lighted by authorities. The UK also started its rollout of the same shot earlier this month, and Turkey and other countries are due to begin administering other vaccines in the coming weeks. With the coronavirus death toll reaching over 1.6 million, many hospitals filled to capacity with overworked healthcare professionals, the development and approval of several vaccines has been met with relief, especially by those on the front lines. So brothers and sisters, one of the questions raised by some Muslims is about the halal status of the COVID-19 vaccines. Halal is an Arabic word meaning lawful and refers to permissibility under Islamic law. The broad framework for approaching vaccines from the Islamic perspective is approaching it from the concept of medical treatment, said Dr. Muhammad Ghali, a specialist of biomedical sciences and Islamic ethics at Hamad bin Khalifa University in Qatar. In principle, treating disease is permissible in Islam at minimum, if not recommended, if not obligatory. Vaccines are preventative medicine, so it is one of the subtypes of treatments which Islam encourages. Muslim scholars and medical professionals have discussed the permissibility of using vaccines with certain prohibited materials for years. The Islamic Organization of Medical Sciences (IOMS) in Kuwait, an important organization in the field of bioethics, used the concept of istihala or transformation, in which you have some material which is originally prohibited become permissible after chemical transformation. Muslim jurists have addressed questions like this before, like the vaccination for swine flu, for which there was a huge discussion. Both official and non-official Islamic bodies and Muslim medical associations in several countries have ruled that the COVID-19 vaccines are permissible. The Islamic Religious Council of Singapore (MUIS), for instance, advised and encouraged Muslims to be vaccinated as a basic necessity to protect lives. However, still many scholars and Muslim scientists are researching and debating on the same issue. Inshallah, when the time comes, we'll surely provide the latest updates. So that's it for today, brothers and sisters. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.